A home is more than just walls and a roof. It's where life happens. At Steele Properties, we don't just build houses. We build homes that are energy efficient and designed to last a lifetime. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you can make. That's why we focus on efficiency, durability, and quality that stands the test of time. We work with a team of skilled tradespeople who take pride in their work, ensuring every detail is executed with precision.
So what is Step Code 3? Step Code 3 in BC requires new homes to be about 20% more energy efficient than the basic building code. It focuses on airtight construction, better insulation, and efficient heating systems. Builders must use energy modeling and airtightness testing to meet the standard, helping reduce energy use and improve comfort as BC works toward net zero by 2032.
For all of our plugs and switches, we use this waterproof flashing membrane. When they put their drywall on, and they cut out all their plugs, they're not cutting through poly or our Tyvek, and there's no air coming in or out. So when our electricians, they run all their wires after the poly bags are up, and what we do after behind them is we passive tape up the hole where the wire comes out, and we also use a very heavy caulking on it as well to maintain air tightness. Yeah, so this is the finished. This black stuff that you see is acoustical sealant, and that gives us an air and vapor barrier, and we have a perfect seal. And as you can see, the acoustical sealant goes around here because this space is like left open and exposed. So you have that continual air and vapor barrier as well. We can just drywall right over top of it, and it keeps our constant air barrier going. Yeah, so we spray foam our plumbing stacks. It just has a really good R value for all your plumbing pipes, so nothing is gonna freeze up over the winter. So we spray foam all of our box ends, as you can see up in here. Just gives you that better R value, and any kind of seal. Our air exchanges that run outside, they've drilled through, and so we spray foam all those box ends, so you just have that perfect seal with the spray foam. Here you can see we have our gas vents. Any kind of wiring or venting that comes out of the building, we take the rubber EPDM, cut it nice and tight, and it fits over top of all of our pipes, and just to give us like that airtight seal. And we use Tyvek and passive tape to tape the EPDM onto our Tyvek wrap, and it just keeps our air barrier solid throughout.
So this is Resisto. This is the product that we use on all of our windowsills to prevent moisture. We wrap it over our Tyvek to ensure a waterproof and airtight seal on our windowsills. Anytime there's a transition between exterior and interior walls, we caulk up in every seam just so there's no air leakage. It's not a necessary thing to do in Step Code 3, but we do it anyway. So here in this wall cavity, we seal any penetration, any wire penetration, so that there's no transfer of air. We also take the extra step to insulate under the slab of the foundation, and then bring our continuous poly barrier up and create a seamless airtight barrier. On this home, we achieved a 1.04 air changes per hour. That's less than half the Step Code 3 requirement of 2.5 air changes per hour. That means our homes stay cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter, and use less energy, giving homeowners long-term savings and better air quality. It's not just about building homes, it's about building smarter, so they last for generations.
If you're looking for a home that's built beyond today's standards, visit our website or follow us on social media to learn more.